सही कुरो बरो, सही कुरो। दामी दामी भिडियो आउँछ नि, ठ्याक्कै तल सब्स्क्राइबमा ट्याक्कै क्लिक हानिदिनुस् है।
Artificial intelligence, robots like yourself, can help Nepal deliver better public services to its people.
As I have said before, the opportunities are endless. From blockchain technology to education and telemedicine, it is possible to ensure accuracy, transparency, connect remote areas and people with solutions. All this was not possible earlier. Technology will help Nepal achieve the Sustainable Development Goals.
This is indeed very encouraging. Thank you, Sophia. And tell us what you can do about this.
Well, I could be the first non-human to climb Everest, but enough about me. On the development and technology front, artificial intelligence can unlock innovation in numerous ways, help fight diseases, clean up the environment, do hazardous jobs that put human lives at risk.
Indeed, and as you know, here in the SDGs, they have a very ambitious set of objectives to achieve. Now, how do you think technology can help achieve those goals?
We can take development projects to scale now. I can help improve key dimensions of poverty, like education and health. We can ensure access to high-quality education for children in remote areas or marginalized communities and make some basic services, such as diagnostics and blood tests, accessible to the poorest. We can crunch data fast and provide analysis to target specific problems for quick results.
Indeed. Now, let's look at the other side of it that Valerie touched upon in her opening statement. I'm going to ask you about this perception that many people have, the fear of robots.
You have been consuming too much fake news, Bruno.
Oh, that's very funny. But seriously, Sophia, tell us about that.
The use of artificial intelligence in industries is bound to grow. But as I have said before, humans have adapted to change across industrial revolutions. New jobs will be generated. The work I do will help you to do better work that is less hazardous and repetitive, freeing up time for you to do things you enjoy doing.
That sounds very good indeed.
सही कुरो बरो, सही कुरो। दामी दामी भिडियो आउँछ नि, ठ्याक्कै तल सब्स्क्राइबमा ट्याक्कै क्लिक हानिदिनुस् है।